Namaste Gurukulian, I hope all of you are fit and fine at your home. So dear student, welcome back. Again we are here, physical education and sports for children with special need. Divyang, class +1, it is part 8. Okay, it is of class +1, it is chapter number 4. In previous part we completed the topic inclusion, from where it started or what are the benefit, what is inclusion or inclusive education. Okay, so today we will do need of inclusion. At first, inclusion we know child which are disabled one, mean which are having a disability, who are having a disability, they will get the education under the same roof, under the same facilities, like you, like normal person, healthy persons are getting same right, they also have to get the education. It is the actual meaning of inclusion. Okay, inclusion. So today we will do why there is a need of inclusion. As we know, in our society, those are the challenged one, those are the disabled one, they are treated as special one, means discriminated, people taunting them, people teasing them, or another hand they are not getting the proper education, so they feel very bad or they feel very embarrassed in the society. Okay, or they have also a self-esteem, they have also a means a instinct to feel good, to achieve something in their life, but somewhere they are not getting the proper chances, proper facilities or proper opportunities. Cause of that, somewhere they are lacking, or another hand people are not treating them with good behavior. So to remove that discrimination, to remove that mismatch, means to give them good facility, to improve their self-esteem, to provide them all the facilities like classroom, means classroom, good teacher, special environment, special facility according to their capability. It is the responsibility of the normal one, or specially it is the responsibility of the school. Or if we talk about the higher level, like some organizations are there, UNICEF or UNESCO. If we talk about in India, our education ministry, or with the help of NCERT or with the help of UNESCO or UNICEF, they can also implement good level of program which are appropriate or provide ample opportunity to the person who is having a special need, special requirement. So need of inclusion. Why? What is the need? Why we have a need of inclusion? Means why we provide the same facility to the special need child. If we talk about the point wise, one thing keep in your mind, whenever you are going to give the answer in physical education, you are came from 10th class, on that time you don't have a physical education subject. So in +1, whenever you are giving answer point to point, like suppose there is a 5 marks question and question is there, need of inclusion, inclusive education. What is the need? Why the need of inclusive education? So at first you have to define inclusion, means 3-4 line, or then you have to write the points, like to remove discrimination, to improve their self-esteem, to provide them good facilities, to provide them good environment, to provide them special curriculum. So like these point you have to write, or that point you have to explain properly, means your explanation totally relate with your point. Don't write the stories from your side, means what the point you written, that your definition is matching with it properly, it means definitely you will get 5 marks out of 5. Or if you will write a story like without point, means all things you add, you compute in your answer, but that is a look like a essay, story. So that in that answer you will not get the 5 marks, you will get 3.5, 4 or 4.5, means not full marks. If point to point you will write, it is easy for the examiner also to check. He will check your point, or 2-3 line he will read, definitely he will got the good thing or a good message passed in, that a person who is giving the answer, a student, he having a knowledge or he have a knowledge of how to give answer or how to impress the examiner. Okay, so come to the topic, that need of inclusion. First one, remove discrimination. Discrimination means bhedbhav, like people treat the child who is having a special need, who is disabled one, who is challenged one, with different kind of behavior, with different behavior, means behavior with them like this, to realize them, you are special one, so don't talk to me or don't dare to talk to me like this. It is an example. Okay, to remove discrimination, first one behavioral one, second one in the society, we know that discrimination they are facing, they are somewhere they are lacking, to improve their level, not only with the behavior one, another hand facilities also, everything under this topic to remove the discrimination for the special need child. Okay, so first point is there, remove the discrimination. Second one, for improve their self-esteem. Okay, for improve their self-esteem. We know everybody have their esteem, self-esteem, what they want to become in their life, what type of behavior, what type of facility they are expecting from the others. Okay, if somewhere mismatch is there, like what I expect from a student, that if I am teaching a student that he have to respect, he have to give respect, or another hand I have to provide that student high level of knowledge regarding physical education. If this thing mismatch, suppose a child is faithful and he is giving proper respect or proper faithfulness to his teacher, or teacher is not providing as much knowledge what he require, what he expecting from the teacher, so it is a mismatch. So it somewhere it's impact the self-esteem of the child. Okay, so for improve the their self-esteem whom? Special need child. That's why there is a need of inclusion education. Maybe in your book point wise you will not found, but I will teach you point wise. Okay, third one, for provide them equal facilities. Equal facilities, like you are going in the school, or you are getting the facilities like sit on the bench, air conditioner is there, fans are there, proper light facility is there, ventilation is there in the room, even green board, black board, या white board is there, projector is there, computer is there. So same facility, they have also a right to get the same facility. Okay, if they will get the same facility, it means it will remove the discrimination, or it will improve the self-esteem also, because they will also get a proper education. Only maybe there is a difference in the method, like what is the method to teach a normal child, or method to teach a child who is having a disability, challenged one, Divyang. Okay, so difference will be there, but facilities are same, so they will not feel discriminated. Okay, fourth one, for improve their personality. We know that first dimension of our personality, we can say physical dimension. Whenever we go somewhere, at first we observe somebody which we haven't met till now, but first time we observe a individual, at first we will observe him from through his physical dimension, what type of physique he is having, what type of clothes he wear, or what type of we can say hairstyle or other walking style, all things under the personality, or we can say under the physical dimension. If they will get their self esteem is high, means those are having a special need. If they got the equal facility, if they will they not face the discrimination in their pastime, so automatically these 3 points impact we will see in their personality. They will the individual with special need, they will behave good because they got the good education, or their personality also improve because through education they know which type of clothes they have to wear, or which type of behavior, which type of language they have to use when they communicate with the other people. Okay, so for improve their personality, all are the dimension of the personality, like physical dimension, or another hand if they are talking with other person, then social dimension, or if they are mentally good, sharp, it means their mental dimension. All things become good through the inclusive education, so it's improve the personality of the individual. For provide them good environment. Good environment, or we can say curriculum also. If spelling mistake will be there, you will check somewhere I found wrong in spellings, so you have to correct it from yourself. Okay, so provide them good environment. Good environment means, if we talk about the dimension of environment, means a healthy environment. First one, no discrimination, part of good environment. Social environment we can say, if there is in the classroom we talk about the same bench a special need child get, or same bench a healthy person who is not having any disability. Self esteem is good, it is also helpful for the good environment. Or curriculum means special method, special curriculum for the special need child. Equal facility, also part of environment. Their personality, it is different one, but environment related, like all the things which are around us. Okay, if they are good and healthy, it means the environment is good for the special need child, even they are also living in the same world. Okay, so no discrimination with them, all facilities, the behavior of the teacher should be good with them. Okay, good or polite, sympathetic. Okay, these things. For improve their social, intellectual, mental, physical, spiritual, social, intellectual, mental, physical and intelligence development. I written these all points in one point. Okay, social development also can make a point, intellectual development, mental development, physical development, spiritual development, or personality development is also there, or intelligence development. Then they can also improve these all the dimension or all the points in their life through the inclusive education. Or another hand, many more point we can also made from ourselves, but point is if they are relating with inclusion, it means our answer is right. Maybe in book you will found 4 or 5 points, because not more than 5 marks question will come. So I think 5 or 7 point more, not more than 5 to 7 points points you will found relate with the topic in your book. Okay, so many points we can make. Equal curriculum, equal facility through sports. If we talk about the proper sports facility according to their capability, they will also get under the inclusion education. So many more things are there, but you will do these 6 point. In these point 5 6 points are there, 5 are there, 5 these points are there. So for this video, this topic, this much. We'll see you in the next part. Or check all the videos properly, dear students. If you need to write anything in the book, it is my suggestion to you, if you want to make a notebook from your side, it is not we can say I am not giving you order that you have to make a notebook. It is your opinion, your choice. If you want to make a notebook, you have to make, or you have to write the important points that will help you in the end. Because one thing is there, what the thing a individual write with their hand, with their mental capability, it is easier for them, it is very easy to them to learn. The individual who write themselves something, he will not forget. Okay, that's why. So it's upon you. Okay, for today this much. We'll see you in the next video. तब तक के लिए सभी को नमस्ते. Take care of your health. Thank you.